All right, fine. So this will get recorded locally. So I was saying, this secrets file you absolutely don't want to commit. Okay. But anyway, no harm. I'll tell you what we'll do as a merge strategy. Uh, uh, and create a merge branch. So I guess new design V2 UI is the branch that's deployed, right? Correct, Mahesh?
Right.
Okay, that's a bit of background noise from someone, so I wasn't able to hear
Anand, I
what you
have a
said.
question here.
Yeah, Prithu?
Yeah, I'm asking like we can add that .secret.yaml in our gitignore, right?
Yes, it should have already been there in the git ignore. If not, yes, you need to add it. Now, I'm
Okay.
guessing we will want to merge it with master. Yeah, master is 3 weeks old. Fine. Okay, let check out. SP, uh, uh, new design merge is a new branch.
Mahesh, you can mute yourself.
Sure.
And we want to merge from origin slash this. So git merge minus squash. No, hold on. This will say I already have a secrets.yaml. So rm secrets.yaml and git merge squash this branch. All right. So there is a conflict in grammx.yaml. No harm. This, let's look at what the conflict is. Doesn't look like deal. Analytics first line. Okay, one of them has webinars. Okay, is okay. Let's come to this AI low code data science whiteboards. Okay, so there are two lists here. What's clear is that this okay is churn analytics solution a valid page on the new website? Could you confirm? And is webinars a valid page?
Navin, webinar is a valid page, yes.
Okay, so let's
Webinar is a valid page. Chart analytics, Mahesh, can you check once?
just one sec, guys. I'll just mute myself. Pause the recording.
Is churn analytics a valid page on the new website? Can you pin the link?
Okay. Customer analytics.
Churn analytics.
Line number 135. Mahesh. 136 now.
136. Oh, churn analytics. Okay. I'll just give you that.
Data stories is covered, especially defeating dengue, AMP. This is common. AI for resilient cities, evergreen, low code process monitor app. Fine. Data science consulting. Yeah, these are the other ones that I need to check if they are valid. So let's see.
The page is not available, Sayan.
Great, I'll remove it. Let me check data science consulting. New.grammar.com slash data science consulting. New.grammar.com slash consulting slash is not available. Great, let's get rid of that too. Data science whiteboards.
Whiteboards is working.
Okay, great. And urban resilience solution, I believe, will be working. And contact center analytics, let's confirm that too. Okay, technically the URL is correct, but it's just the demo is not working.
Yeah, and Anand, the data science consulting, that page in the new it is not working. but in the old it is working. And we need this
Said that that's
like,
been pointed to the gramnar.com.
Okay, the new one it's not working, but in grammar.com it's working. Got you. Got it. And to be on the safe side, let's just validate these here. So urban resilience solution may not have been built yet. That's fine. Contact center analytics is not there, but okay. Data science consulting, you're saying should still be there. Got you.
that's correct. Yeah.
Perfect. So this is our new list of pages with the conflicts resolved. And we have a level lot of new pages. And we also have a dot secrets.yaml. So we'll kill that. Graphics.yaml. Get rm.secrets.yaml. Okay, get rm cache minus f secrets dot, yeah. Now the file has been deleted. And like Gurudev mentioned in git ignore, let's ensure that we don't have the secrets file. Okay, dot secrets dot yam. So that adds the dot git ignore. Fine. There's a whole bunch of new files, but we have completed step one. I've cloned it locally, created a new branch, git commit sem new website design. That's step one. Now step two, I have to learn how to deploy it. So GitLab ca.yaml tells me how to deploy it. Okay, so there is a dev target which goes to new.grammar.com. This folder is new.grammar.com points to dev target, and grammar.com points to target. Fine. So in theory, all I have to do is switch to the master branch and it will deploy the master branch. So I've learned how to deploy. Deploying is a hell of a lot tougher. Let's go to the website and go to this directory and this directory and do a git status. A whole bunch of new pages. What is the safest way? Safest way is to take a copy of this and move it back. So let's do this first. How big is it? Website 2017 is just 33 gigabytes. Sagar will kill me. How much space do we have? 23 gigabytes. Okay, so get install NV. No, hold on. DUSH is, yeah, website 2017 is what I did. Okay. Can CD use it? Oh, no hub.out is that big. Okay, fine. That is not a problem. We just need to delete it. So outside of that, the rest are all okay. There's a beta folder. What on earth is in the beta folder? A whole bunch of images. That's okay. A gigabyte and all I can manage. Fine. So the undeploy strategy is simple. Just copy, basically deploy push to master branch, and I'll copy from what folder shall I copy? We call it slash mnt Gramener apps website 2017 backup.
The grammar spelling is wrong. Anand.
Thank
Yeah.
you. And now that we have this, I need to bring the website down. Copy. Okay, so here are the steps to bring the website down for a few seconds without disrupting anything. It's running on port 9988 if I remember right. Yeah. So V1 website 2017 is running on port 9989. Fine. So if I run these commands, go to this directory, kill the process, rm no hub, rm no hub dot out, and then restart it, I will have gotten 30 how many ever GB back. This is fairly non-destructive, and then I can copy the website at leisure. This will put the website down for less than a second. Cool. Website should be back up. Well, maybe not yet. Yes, it's back up and people are accessing it. Great. So now, how much space does it occupy? 269 MB. Fine. Copy website 2017 to website 2017 backup, which is what I had planned. Great. So the absolute worst case, we know how to undeploy. Great. And now, how exactly do I test? Okay, push to master, restart port 9989, and test on grammar.com. This is where we deploy. If that doesn't work, this is basically deployment to server. If it doesn't work, then my steps will be copy from this directory website 2017 backup to website 2017, but first I will have deleted the new website folder, copied everything back to this. Before that, I would do a kill port 9989 so that, okay, get the web server down, delete the directory, copy the old directory back, and restart the cd into that directory, and then restart it. This could take a second or two, but these are my undeploy steps. Fine. Now let's cross our fingers. Get to master. What are the files that we have changed here? This is the major change. The rest are all minor. So it just requires a restart. What are the undeployed files on the server? Beta folder, don't care. Hopefully don't care. Yeah, these are all old files. Good. To be on the safe side, I should get rid of all of these. Yeah, let's get rid of all of these. But at least I will. Yarn.log is not a problem. All the HTML files are safe. What's in the JS folder? This. I don't know. Request demo. Okay, careers page. I thought used the email thing to contact us. Does this have email JS from the JS directory? No, from UI static directory. Is there a UI static? Yeah, okay, then fine. Then I can get rid of this. This fine. What on earth is grammar policy? I don't know. No, I think we need this. This ideally should have been committed perhaps. But we currently have a cookie policy of some kind somewhere, right? Privacy policy. So this is our privacy policy. Where's this coming from? Say privacy policy. Website information collect. This looks definitely not like the right stuff. But it could be. Say privacy policy. Okay, question to Maheshwar. Does the website privacy policy work for you locally?
Yeah, it works. It works.
Okay. Fine, then this is safe to remove. And beta, I'm sure, is safe to remove. Fine. Now, first destructive, semi-destructive operation. Let's keep our fingers crossed. So, if I push to master and restart the port, we should be good. There are no extra files other than yarn.log, which I don't really care about. Pushing to master will copy the files, run npm install, fine. Yarn install is fine too. Copy the nginx configuration, which is okay. .com website 2017 log. Okay. Was this file changed? No, you haven't changed this file, which is interesting. How does this? Okay. Have you added any new slash something or the other?
We have created a template,
Okay.
but not added any new pages.
That is interesting. I doubt if that's the case. So for example, spatial analytics, or let's take data science whiteboards, which is there twice. I should get rid of it. No, data science consulting is what I meant to add here. So data science whiteboards is new, and new.grammar.com/data science whiteboards works. I have a feeling that won't work on grammar.com. See, new.grammar.com says whatever I get, give it to Grammix. Grammar.com has so many demos. What it's saying is if I have a page that slash, I want to explicitly pass it here.
Oh,
So I believe it will not work. We'll come to that. And the good part is this is easy to fix. So I'll write this down as a, what is this? Fix this file.
Data science whiteboard.
Not just that, all of the pages that we are adding,
Oh, sure.
additional pages. Have everyone test and all that. Fine. Now, style.css. Caching is the other thing. How do I clear the Nginx cache? Clear Nginx cache. And then how to clear Nginx cache. Okay. Okay. This sounds promising. Okay, so one possibility is this header. Okay. Okay. Fine. Clear Nginx cache. When testing, we will face some issues. So when we get to this stage, we can clear it if required. Just give me a minute, guys. Okay, that's fine. Let's deploy on the server. Git commit if. Okay. Amend. Okay, git checkout master, git merge, new design merge, git push to master. Next is a restart the server after the deployment has happened. Just code.grammarly.com/ctu/website design. Pipelines. It's doing the validation. That's good. Meantime, let me kill the website for a few seconds. Yeah, started syncing. Fine. Website is down. Files synced. Restart the site. Fingers crossed. Okay. Now grammar.com requires me to log in. The auth part definitely has to be fixed. Grammarly.com should not require me to log in. So if I look at new.grammarly.com as an unlogged in user, this is working. So why does Grammarly.com require me to log in? This is odd. Slash definitely does not have. Okay.
Anand, I don't see a login. I rather see the new website is kind of getting replicated
It is
in Grab.
on
Yeah.
Grammar.com. Okay. Grammar.com.
No, it's not replicating. It asking for the prompting for login. Then all the files are just like not loading correctly.
Okay.
For me also it is asking for login. Yeah. Mahesh, therefore yesterday we added that in the Gramex, right?
Yeah,
In the
Gramex.ml we added the new, auth path. Yeah.
yeah, we only added, no?
Yes.
So I guess the same thing got updated in the live also.
Yeah, might be.
Website demo login. Let's see. This should be there in the Gramix.yaml for okay.
For homepage,
For reload demo login.
You can search
Website
like
load.
new one.
Correct. Yeah. So here you clearly have a code that says you need to log in for the home page.
right?
I presume this is not intended. No, meaning, okay, and why doesn't this not work on new.grammar.com? It's not asking me to log in here.
Maybe you are already logged in
No,
because
this is
of
an
that.
incognito window. Let me open a different browser.
No, Anand, it does not ask to log in. I can like anyone with new dot can easily open that website.
Yeah. So
Just click on any other new tabs and once.
I will do that. But first, let me look at why new.grammar.com. New.grammar.com. Website dev, which is this directory. Let's gramix.yaml auth colon class store fetch rating road home. You have this home. This also has the same thing. Is it because it's not reloaded? Yeah, now it's okay. When I restart it, new.grammar.com is also asking me to log in. Fine. So let's do this then. Let me undo the deployment, and then I'll tell you what are the next steps that we need to plan for.
Sure.
Done this. How to undeploy? Okay, fine. So this, go to this. Okay, kill the grammar website, the entire folder, and copy the backup. Go into that backup directory and get the grammar website backup. Okay, who knows? But Okay, looks like the website is now back up. The old one, that is right. So then here is what we need to do. So this is round 1. Fine. Let me save this somewhere in my notes so that I won't mess this up next time. Website deployment. Okay. So we failed at this point. Okay. So round 2 will have the following steps. Push merge branch. Test merge branch on new.gramner.com after restarting. And it is 6, yeah. And then continue. Then deploy on server again. Test. The rest of the steps are the same. However, what exactly do I? I also need to teach you how to make sure to restart new.grammer.com. These are the steps. Let's do that. Okay. Now the problem is a master branch. Master branch has the new website design.
Anand, I have a question here.
Yeah.
So we can add that restart Gramax thing in the CI/CD pipeline only, GitLab also, right? If
Good
I'm not
point.
wrong.
You're right. You're right. Every push will do a restart. Yeah, but it's only new.grammarly.com. So
Yeah. No, because day before yesterday we pushed the code for that auth part, right? And it is not reflecting still, and it was working fine in our local. So that's why I'm asking.
good point. Very good point. Uh, master restart Gramix. So the commands are go to this directory. And restart Gramix. So after we do over install, kill this process and have no idea this will work, but let's try. So rather than, okay, now the master branch we have, I don't want, okay, master branch is now tainted, which is not ideal, but that's okay. What branch are we using? Okay, new design merge branch. So from now on, just use the new design merge branch. And any branch will automatically get deployed on new.grammarly.com. That's fine. On commit, redeploy new.grammarly.com. So this part is done. Push new deploy merge branch. Fine. This should automatically restart. Let's validate that that happens. Deploy. Run the pipeline. Fingers crossed. Yeah. It says it failed, but we don't know what part failed. Let's go to the website folder and look at 503. That's a long time ago. So it looks like it didn't restart. Okay, we're already in dev target, so I don't need to do those. Does pkill not work? Let's try this manually. cd/d grammar apps website dev. Okay, so this should in theory restart, but it failed. Why is that? To be fair, yeah, this is definitely failed because this is bottom minute old. New.grammar.com. Huh? Oh, the no hub failed. Okay, that helps. Understandable. Fine. So how do I run no hub via SSH? Run no hub command 1 greater than /dev/null 2 greater than and 1%. Yeah, just broadly what I did. Oh, I see. Okay. Let's try that. /dev/null 2 greater than ampersand 1 then ampersand. So now this should start Grammix. No, still an error. Is new.grammar.com running? Yeah, it died and didn't get restarted. Okay. Okay, maybe it doesn't know which Grammix to use. So let's give it full path. Still an error. Still down. Okay. If I didn't do all of this, the status is still -1. Okay, let's run it without the no hub and see what happens. Nothing. Okay, I give up. What I'm instead going to do is take the easy route and just measure give you SSH access. Now, this is ultra dangerous. So I'll tell you exactly what command you need to execute, and this is the only command that I'd like you to execute. ck.governor.com. Let's go to the admin section. Users Maheshwar. Let's take your SSH key. You have 2 SSH keys. I don't know which one you use normally. One was created recently. One was created a month ago.
I hope both will be the same.
No, it certainly can't be the same. GitLab doesn't allow that. But I'll add now both for now. Sure. And hopefully you'll be able to figure it out. Okay, fine. So add it. Cool. Try SSH Ubuntu at Gramener.com. That's a command you need to know. Just check if that works. So I've shared with you the commands that you need to run to restart new.gramener.com. So now that is done, the next steps are on you. Deploy it, restart it, and then once things are working fine again on new.gramener.com, let me know. So we'll set up a time again for anytime after 4 o'clock. Just call me, and if that works well for you, we'll try and deploy it. Okay.